Well, hello and welcome to Christmas Room Tour, and I can't wait to share with you these extraordinary ideas for budget decor. It will be a real winter forest with icicle on the mirror, amazing frost, a wreath with gingerbread snowflakes. Subscribe to my channel to save these ideas for this and next year. At the end, you will find an amazing and very simple recipe for real frost. Let's create together and let's get started.
Dive into Winter Wonderland by creating enchanting frost. I will share the secret recipe at the end of the video, but for now, grab a hairdryer and spray bottle. I choose a mirror, but this magic, it works on any glass surface. It's a simple spray and voila, winter patterns appear. It's a magic. Give it a try. It's truly delightful. Trust me, it's a pure magic, turning our home into a cozy winter heaven. Let the magic dance in your living space. Let's continue with our own winter wonderland using affordable cardboard. For this DIY, I'm using cardboard that I picked up from the Dollar Tree store. You'll also need a knife cutter and double-sided tape. Here how I put together the entire composition, creating a two-layered forest and adding a touch of magic with glowing lanterns secured with tape. Next step, Christmas tree. Traditionally, I used to decorate it by walking around with my dog. Twirling the lights, it was fun, but not quite right. I have a fantastic decorating hack. Start from the bottom and wind the lights on each branch in spiral. The magical tree glows from the inside, seems floating in the air. It's a simple technique but creates a mesmerizing effect. Make sure to give it a try this year. You won't regret it. My decor I've chosen for the classic combination of gold and red, a timeless and sophisticated choice for Christmas. The vintage vibe adds an extra layer of charm. I'm showcasing a stylish and spectacular composition. Can you almost smell the pine? I start by taking a candlestick and adding a magnet to the metal part, along with a metal plate from IKEA. I turn it over to demonstrate its stability. Then I introduce a ready-made wreath of red berries and incorporate a glass candlestick, also from IKEA, adding some wooden logs purchased in Dollar Tree and a few green spruce branches. The composition comes together seamlessly. Let's add a little fluffy texture to our music corner. Sonia has already given her approval, and I've got a fantastic 3D decor tutorial, a vintage project I adore. Just has its special charm, don't they? Find the step-by-step guide and vintage bowl making tips through the link in description. Time to dress up. Decorate our lamps. Tyson hats from Dollar Tree turned into charming Christmas guards. And for a touch of holiday spirit on my watch, I'm using a blue fleece scarf and hat with a carrot that I crafted myself. It was initially part of my child's costume, and now it's transformed into a festive snowman look and red accents. Voila! Our watch is now a snowman perfectly dressed for the season. point In my living room is a captivating ocean vase resin art that I made. Check the link for details. Continue with classic red and gold decor. I've added festive accents for that extra Christmas touch.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright around you.
Let's start. Find the link below. My paintings, my secret ingredient, irresistible texture included. No prints here, it's all original 3D art. Handcrafted with love, the perfect prescription for modern space, home, office, cafe, restaurant. You see, these baskets are Christmas dinner ready, and I decorated napkins with these snowflakes from fake gingerbread. I will leave a tutorial on how to make such a long-term snowflakes with a detailed recipe in the description. I return all the baskets to their place and wait for the magic hour with Christmas dinner. Another tip: use these snowflakes creatively, like gluing them onto mounts for a delightful finish. Time to create a captivating centerpiece for Christmas dinner table. And what better way than to infuse the air with a delightful scent of tangerines? Using cloves and aromatic seasoning, I transform these tangerines. I take this wooden tray as a basis and I add spruce branches, then eco decoration. Check the link for detailed tutorial on this eco decor. Then tangerines, and then familiar touch of gingerbread snowflakes. Then cinnamon sticks and anise stars complete the aromatic ensemble. Picture the inviting aroma of cinnamon, gingerbread, tangerines, and spruce branches, like Christmas cocktail of smells. And we're nearly set for a festive holiday dinner. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't lose all the ideas for this and next year.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright around yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild.
Adding a touch of winter magic with DIY icicles. I've got a printout ready for you. Just let me know if you need it and I'll leave the link below. Using clear glue from Walmart, I outline the icicles on a plastic file, filling it generously. The next day, these icicles are ready to adorn your mirror, creating a beautiful play flight. Revamp your space with red decor, a fluffy texture, and a Christmas tree that glows from within. One of my favorites is a wreath adorned with familiar snowflakes from fake gingerbread. Check the tutorial link in the description. The final flourish includes lighting a candle, letting the aromas of gingerbread and cinnamon wend through your home. And Sonia and me enjoy the smells. This is a really smell of Christmas. It's a pity that a smell not transmitted through the screen. If you enjoyed, hit the like button below and subscribe. Well, time for promised secret recipe for magical frost on glass. Just mix water with a non-toxic component for fertilized plants. I leave the link below. What I used: create a concentrated solution in a sprayed bottle. Give it a good stir and you're all set to unleash the blizzard or frost in your space. Don't miss out the new ideas, subscribe to my channel and drop your questions in the comments below. Let's make this winter unforgettable.